Now demonstrate that all Yamaha smart keys are lost. Use the matching operation method of this test platform. This one is the new key. The new key cannot be used now. Putting it here requires a long press of this key 3 times. It takes about 8 seconds at a time. Let go when the light flashes. So let go, continue. Continue. This time it will stay on. Wait until it goes off and enter the password. 1 second is 2, 1 to let go. The second one is 3, 1, 2, 3. Next is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And open. The password is correct and stays on. Keep pressing. Wait until he calls. Now click on the remote control. OK, entered. Just press. When the red light is on, the ID authentication has been passed. It will also flash. Thanks for watching.